We have a very exciting morning ahead of us. I am joined by Charlotte Sanders and we are going shopping in Selfridges to embrace
clothes.
our summer wardrobes. I'm really behind on summer. I haven't bought anything yet. I want to feel inspired. I want to see what's in the shops, hopefully discover new brands. I want to know what you're shopping for.
Well, this heat wave has shown me that I've got absolutely no summer clothes whatsoever. And these are my only pair of shorts, so I'm really lacking in the summer department. So I'm hoping to find some nice pieces for my holiday next week.
Well, let's go. So who are your favourite brands?
Well, I'm wearing St. Agni now.
Oh, fun.
Shirt is St. Agni.
The Aussie brands just do summer so well. And I think if your style is more minimal, there obviously is like the boho look, but I feel like there's so much more for that girl now.
Yeah, I just like to be like loose, comfortable, something minimal.
What about colour? Like you're quite like monochromatic.
I just feel like everything looks better in black or white. I do have a shirt which is like a similar colour to this actually.
The lime one.
The Align one,
yeah,
and that's a really nice blue, and I do actually really like that, but I can't commit to too much colour.
I feel like that with like a white swimsuit on holiday.
Yeah, because I have the co-ord of this. I have the black one, and
that one.
Yeah. A t-shirt maxi dress is good because it's like you don't have to think about the outfit.
Yeah.
You just throw it on.
Yeah.
Sunglasses bag.
That I think a matching set as well in summer.
Yeah, a co-ord or a maxi
that's
dress.
So nice.
You don't have to think about
like one colour palette.
Wear, and it's comfortable and it's loose.
Oh, I like that as a dress as well. It looks like it's got like, it's fitted.
It's a bit ruched at the back. I would really like that if that was a maxi length.
Oh, I like it in the white.
Yeah, and that material is like,
that looks so nice and breezy.
So light, isn't it?
And how do you feel about the red colour pop trend right now?
I really like red. I've got a red cape.
Ooh.
But it's too hot to wear that. It's like a knitted one.
With a New York black.
Yeah, and it's really good.
Yeah, you look
like
so chic.
throw it over.
Yeah.
And it's really chic. You're right, I might need some more red in my wardrobe.
Oh my God, that is stunning.
Oh my God, I actually posted in this dress yesterday. This is such a nice dress.
Were you ever an Isabel Marant girl? Like, have you ever been not minimal girly?
Do you know the Isabel Marant wedge?
Oh yeah, the bobbies.
I just put those on my Vinted the other day.
Oh,
how funny.
R.I.P.
And I didn't want to let go of them.
Do you know the Luxe gens would really like them because they're really back for the LGs?
Don't tell me that, I've just sold them.
I love Isabel Marant in the summer.
Yeah.
Like that boho look was definitely my vibe. Oh, do you know this brand?
What brand?
TWP.
No.
So they're in New York. When we were in Paris, we went to their press day.
That's really nice.
And they have got really good shirts. I love that.
Is that a co-ord?
Yeah.
Oh, it's got matching trousers.
It's kind of got a bit of a
sheen
running through it.
Oh, Camilla and Mark's nice.
Oh, I love Camilla and Mark. Look at that.
Wow. That is so nice.
That is so stunning. See, that would really upset me because that is exactly the thing I'd want to wear to a wedding. And
you can't.
You absolutely can't.
Yeah.
That is so beautiful. This is Camilla and Mark.
Oh, I love this because they did a coat. Did you see the coat that they did?
It was so
With
amazing.
this print. It was like a trench, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was
like
so
with
cool.
a belt.
Or what about the Aladdin pants?
Yes. Oh, I really like those a lot, actually.
Your vibe?
Very much. Have they got shorts underneath?
Oh, cute.
It's got a little pan.
And it's got a matching top.
Oh, I think I have to try that on. That's really nice.
That look lush on you.
That's very me.
Oh, wow. Look at that from Roa. It's got a hole at the back.
Yeah, this is so nice. I love. This is a very me shirt.
They look comfy.
They're really cute. Okay, they look nice.
Pajama trouser.
Yeah, that's the thing. I just need to be comfortable.
Also, it makes you feel, if it makes you feel confident, when you feel comfortable, you feel more confident.
Yeah. This is really nice to like wear to the airport.
Chic.
Like chic.
That's
I've seen
really
this on someone and it looks so nice on. It's like a double layered.
That's beautiful. How would you wear that?
Knowing me, I'd probably just wear like a white tee. That is a bit me, isn't it?
That is so lush.
When I say I want to wear something loose and a maxi dress.
And it's got pockets.
Oh my God, that is so me.
That is so chic. And it's got like double keyhole. I don't know this brand, Dark Park. Do you know them?
No, but they've got such nice stuff.
So
nice. Oh, they've got it in black.
Oh, that's
like
different.
there.
Yeah. That's like top. Oh, actually, I do love that.
Oh, I really like this brand. I've only heard of them briefly before.
That's love. God, that's so you.
It is, isn't it?
You love a cape.
My arm's gonna fall.
Do you have go-to brands then?
I do really like Isumiyaki.
Yeah.
For summer.
Oh, I like that.
It's a nice colour actually, isn't it?
That colour would look all flummy, but I really like the shade. It's really cool. I really like Arket.
Yeah, I like Arket for
that's a cute bag.
Basics, you know. That's very Dragon Diffusion as well.
Yeah, very. Styling. I also love this brand. Wow, that looks so You know, just want to put a really easy
like
dress
smocky,
on.
isn't it?
I like a drop waist. It's really
I think this is really nice for like the airport.
the airport.
Yeah, I'd wear this to the airport.
Yeah, I love the airport. It's a big.
I like that it's like satiny.
Yeah, nice.
It like makes you
That's
look
really
a bit
chic.
more put together.
Really chic. Love that.
nice.
That is amazing.
He's like me in the top. Anything capey and drapey is me. I could probably spin it around and have like a V-neck and have it like,
Ooh.
I feel like you could maybe wear this different ways.
Is it got like fastenings? I feel like those buttons maybe
It's
is
got
to
a
like
button, but I don't
it's
know
to
what
give
it's for.
like to give you a bit of a sleeve.
Chin.
Like your arm goes through there.
Oh, I really like
I
this.
love that.
Dark Park.
That is so chic in summer.
I think I might have discovered my new favourite brand.
So cool.
And then the
I like
trousers.
it with those.
Camilla and Mark.
I'm gonna look them up. Oh, I'm following them. Okay, it's Italian. The top is so cool. Oh my God, I'm obsessed with this brand. Look at that top. The best thing about coming into store is discovering new brands. Oh my God, I love that. Rosie Huntington-Whiteley also follows them, so we're in good company. Love that. So like holiday look?
I think so. This might be nice, like on holiday, and you're at the beach, but you're like got to put clothes on because you're going for lunch.
I like the little slits at the side.
Yeah.
I like the shape of the pants.
We're like
What brand is this again? Camilla Mark.
Camilla and Mark.
Oh.
Yeah.
So
I
nice.
love that.
But like over trousers, so nice.
So nice.
It's just these sleeves
Are they
like...
the trousers that you had on?
Yeah, these are
They go
trousers I had on.
perfectly.
Yeah, I love, or even like tucked in.
It looks so
front there.
nice on you.
I like the this thing. Just like a cool bit of like drama.
I like that it's really light. So
Yeah, it's like super lightweight. I mean, this is like their classic. I think they did it in silk. I think I find that so useful.
I really like that.
Do you know, I really like the idea of wearing a headscarf.
That with a headscarf would be so nice.
I don't think it's me, but I really like the idea.
you not-
I'm not sure, but I really like. If I
feel
saw
like
with someone else,
I can see the vision
I
of
would
that.
be like, vibey.
Headscarf with that would go really well.
Oh my God,
I need this.
That is
I actually need this.
perfection.
I absolutely love this.
It's so stunning.
This is like me in a dress.
The sleeves, the like casual nature of it.
Yeah, I love that. It's like elongated sleeves. It's got this slit. It's got this slit. It's got a slit at the back. This on a beach.
That's too nice for a beach. Like I don't.
Yeah,
like
but I feel like
beaches.
could you wear this not on a beach?
I think you'd need to somehow
It's
find
very
and make a
sheer.
way.
How have I never discovered this brand before?
It's stunning.
Dark Park.
You need that.
I love it.
Okay, this is so fun.
Oh, wow.
I feel like a princess with this.
That looks so nice on you.
This is so cool. I just have zero occasion to wear this.
and
what did you
occasion
wear it
always
for?
comes up,
True, true.
and then you'll be like, I need something, and you haven't got it.
Buy the dress, then get the invitation.
Yeah.
It's just so like free.
I love it.
I also love that it's down here. Like I like that drop
like
waist.
yeah, it's really nice. I love that.
What
on
shoes
you.
would you wear?
Maybe like a T-bar heel with like a
Ooh,
not
okay.
a high heel, like a short heel.
The shape is so cool.
Because then the dress would just touch the floor and it would be perfect.
Ooh.
I'm 50-50 on this, I'm not sure.
I like that the shirt's a bit different. Like I like the shape was like, I feel
Yeah.
like I normally see you in a more of a boxy shaped shirt.
Yeah, I feel like this isn't something I would typically usually
Yeah.
try.
Like with your sunnies and your black bag.
Let me go put my glasses
Okay.
on.
Yeah, love. And you know, I just think it's nice that like there's a pajama set.
Yeah.
That isn't as kind of slouchy, like it's got a bit more shape and
yeah.
like tailored to it. And this is Roa.
Yeah.
Really cool.
I think this is quite different for them actually.
Yeah.
I've not seen anything like this from them.
I'm going to try it with the matching trousers, but I do like it with the black.
I like how the blue is like quite muted. It's not like a bright blue. It's really nice.
And it's a bit longer as well. So again, like we were saying before, like that.
And
like
the sleeves are
bikini.
quite long, aren't they?
I think those are the details that make like.
I like when a sleeve like covers some of your hand.
And like, you know, a shirt is a shirt, but I think it's those little details.
Yeah.
Like I feel like that, like.
And that's quite light, isn't it? So in a heat wave.
I would want pockets, but. Let me try it with the matching trousers. Okay, that's then is that as a full set.
I prefer it with the black trousers.
Me too. Doesn't feel as cool. I like the black to kind of pitch it. I think we are a bad influence on each other.
I know.
Dark Park is my
I've
new
not
discovery
been
of the day.
shopping in so long, which is good because we've discovered a new brand.
We have.
Now I'm gonna
what was
keep
your
thinking
favourite thing?
That dress.
The dress.
I love that dress. And I'm going on a holiday next week, so
So you need to get your
maybe
airport fit
it's a
sorted.
sign. Yeah.
Well, thank you so much.
Oh,
It was
thank
so nice to
you.
see you. Have the best holiday.
Thank you.
And I can't wait to see the outfits and the airport outfit.
We'll see if I go back and get that dress.
Bye.
Bye.